This is one of the days where I feel like I hate myself. I have an issue, and it happens to do with my ears. So if you guys have any issues with earwax or, you know, the insides of ears and, you know, you're just queasy, step away. I'm not threatening you, I'm just warning you. I bought the little cameras that, you know, have the little cleaner at the end that look into your ear from Amazon because I thought, why not? Why not take one of my childhood fears? Yes, I had a fear of cleaning my ears. Don't come at me. And do something stupid. Now, this is supposed to. Oh look, it comes with all the little torture tools. Look at that. You get a full package of destruction. I'm struggling. Has the little kit, and inside we've got the little tips. Look at that. It has it's a little vial. All the little rubber tips to clean this out. I cannot believe I'm exposing the inside of my ear. I know it's disgusting. Like, I know it's going to be, and I might hate myself for this, but we're gonna do it. Charger, and of course, the actual pen. Now, if you've noticed, I have long nails. I feel like that's really gonna work against me here. Also, not being able to open this because I am stupid. What the actual hell do I open this? Oh, it turned on. Stop, turn off, turn off, turn off. Okay, there has to be a way to open this. Oh. This is going great. So basically, you go to your Google Play, Apple, Android, whatever store, and you download the app. But you know, it would have been really smart for me to do this before I open this. But I just want this to be done with. I will say, this is a lot more formal than I think it is. I honestly don't think you should be doing this. Like, if you are a medical professional, please teach me. Like, if this is even safe. I don't think it is, but we're gonna do it because I've got issues. Okay, guys, look. Okay, I don't even know if this is gonna focus. Can you even see it? That little, look at the camera. It's so small. That's so cute. When the image is not clear, wipe with a cotton swab. When you're removing, please do not use it and protect it from being hit by others. There's not like instructions though. What? Okay, so now that I'm connected to the device, click the app and click start. Guys, okay, wait. This is so wild, and I am so... Oh. My God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Why is this working? Guys, I cannot believe this. Wait, I don't. I kind of want to throw up. Oh, that's nasty. Wait, I gotta show my mom. Come here. Look at that. This is the inside of my ear. Deksa makanan bitoreta. Deksa? Sai kali deka? Emne sap kuri? Tara. Tikmo kuri na kan hati. Where is this? Deksa I connect to. Outside? Is it here? Am I done? Tara. Upar deksa? It's right here. Where's it? Ew, look at that. Look at that. I'm not trying to disgust you guys. That was, I have never been so satisfied cleaning my ears. I'm gonna post a link to this exact one down. Mind you, this was $16. I'm gonna keep trying weird things because clearly I have issues, but I just cured the entirety of my childhood fears. And I hear so much better now. Is that weird? I'm hearing better. I'm going crazy. Anyway, I'm not a professional. Talk to your doctor. Don't do this. Well, maybe, I don't know. Whatever. I'm a middle child.